Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add a floor in The Sims 4. So make sure you're in build mode right now, which I am. To add a floor, you're just going to simply select the floor part. I'm lagging a lot. Okay, not that. Sorry, I'm just very laggy. You're going to select the wall tool actually, and you are going to, where's the floor part? Okay, it should be that one. I'll just create a, okay, I'm just gonna demolish this first. Okay, here, I'll create it there. It already has like a roof, so I'm just going to add that on top like so. Oh well, and then add another wall obviously here. Then you're just going to, you can also, already like automatically adds that, but you're just going to want to go to the stairs after that and add stairs so that your Sims can actually go up the stairs. So select it and just kind of place it where you think it's just like suitable. I don't think it works because I just like randomly put a floor up there, but you're just going to want to add stairs like I did down here to create like a second floor like that. But that's pretty much how you can create a second floor on The Sims 4. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.